What's going on, YouTube? We are back with another video of the 2004 Lincoln Town Car, and today we're going to be doing like a little install video here. I have these Auxito LED lights. I purchased these a while back and I actually just never got around to putting them in, but LED lights, they come in a 2-pack. However, we only need one. We're going to be replacing our license plate light here, and as you can see, this is the stock one that comes with the car. And it just kind of, I mean, it gets the job done, but it's kind of plain. We are going to switch it over to an LED light today to kind of shine and brighten this whole thing up and kind of give it like a little bit more of a premium look. So let's kind of get right into it. So I got the trunk open to kind of make this a little bit easier for you guys to see. Let's look at what we're looking at here. So it looks like it's two Phillips head screws, but from what I hear, these are actually kind of just push pins. So we got one right there as well as one right there, and people swear, they say you just take a flathead screwdriver or something else to kind of get behind there and pop those out, and then we can get access to that bulb. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing going. So I grabbed a flathead screwdriver. I started on this left side first. This is what's gonna come out. It is like a push pin. So that would focus. There you go. So all you're really gonna do is take just the end of the flathead screwdriver, be careful, kind of get around the edge of it, pry it down, try to come down straight. And they are plastic, so just be careful that you're not cracking or breaking it. And yeah, you pop it out. So that's one. Let's go ahead and knock out the other. All right, so we got both of them out. I set them down. As you can see here, they are popped out. So you should be looking at something like this. You're able to just go ahead now and pull this down. Just be careful because you do got some wires. Look at that. The original Ford from the factory light. That's kind of cool. All right, so we got the bulb here. We're gonna go ahead and, I'm looking at my hand, sorry. We're gonna go ahead and turn this, get this loose so we could pop out the bulb on the inside. And it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but all you're doing is turning this piece kind of in like that to, you know, lefty loosey, and it pops out just like that. So this will come out freely, and that guy right there is what we're going to be changing today. So let's take out this original bulb and replace it with our LED light. So we took the old bulb out. You just pull it straight out, nothing crazy there, nothing hard. And let's put this LED baby in. And now we got the new bulb in, and as you can see, that thing is super, super bright. You always want to test it after you put the bulb in, and before you button all this stuff back up, go ahead and turn your lights on just so you can make sure that it is working the way it should and that the bulb is not defective. This one is working as it should. So let's go ahead and tighten everything back up the same way that we took it apart. See how it looks. And just remember, when you are going to put this back on, there's like teeth and grooves on the side of this piece. So it should lock into this housing. So as you can see, I'm pulling on this, it's not coming undone. You want to push this in and turn it to the right to lock it in. Just as when you removed it, you turned it to the left to unloosen it. So just make sure you do that so that it is properly secured. And it is back in its housing. And now just to push back in those two push pins that we removed earlier, and we should be good. So with it in the garage here with the lights off, as you can see, really changes kind of like the back end of the car. Gives it a nice LED look, illuminating right over the plate here. And yeah, now I wish my taillights were LED. For now, this is what we're working with. So something cheap, easy to do, takes 2 minutes, and kind of give your car a little bit more of a modern look if you have one of these Lincoln Town cars, Grand Marquis, 4 Crown Vics. So if you would like to do the same to your car, I just dropped the old bulb. Anyways, I will leave a link in the description below of this video for you guys for these Auxito lights for $9, I think it is, on Amazon, and like next day shipping. You'll get a 2-pack like this. They don't make them in single packs, they're just a 2-pack, but for $9 you'll have one, and then you'll have an extra one that you could hang on to just in case anything happens. It is rated like the #1 lighting accessory or whatever, or license plate bulb on Amazon, which is the reason I went with it. No, they did not sponsor this video. No, they did not give this to me. And no, they didn't pay me to do this video or say any of this. But we'll see how they hold up. I mean, for $9, whatever, you know, toss it in there, and I'll hang on to the original one just in case. But now that's LED, I'm switching over to it. That is my neighbor's car. I think it's missing a catalytic converter, so that's why that's what you just heard in the background. But yeah, one last little look for you guys. Like I said, if you're interested, go ahead and click the link in the description and go get you some. Not a bad little upgrade, you know, and it's easy to do. Nice little LED, kind of modernizes it a little bit. Just one little shot of the car. She's holding up good. She's dirty right now. I'll probably go get her washed tomorrow, but yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. Hope it helps. Any questions, comments, concerns, drop it below, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace!